Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video today I will be showing you how you can use the Lasso tool and the Polygon Lasso tool in Adobe Photoshop. Now these two tools are extremely similar to each other, but they are a little different as well. So before I begin, as you can see that I've opened up this image of this man right here who is wearing a white color t-shirt, right? So as you can see that the lasso tool is right here, which is right below the move tool, this one, right? So I'll select this lasso tool first, and as you can see the polygon lasso tool is right here, which is like a sub part of the lasso tool as well. So I'm going to select the lasso tool first. So what the lasso tool will do is that it will help me to make a freehand selection around my model like this. Right? So as you can see, it's very easy to make a selection around like this. So it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but it's extremely convenient to make your selection like that. And I'm going to go ahead and also close it like this. Okay. So once the selection is done, I'm going to right click on this as well, and I'm going to select fill. So over here in the contents, I'll make sure that I have my content aware switched on, and I'll let the other settings be the way it is, and I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to take a little bit time. It takes a couple of seconds, but you'll see in a while that the entire image is moved. It's removed. But you can also remove the excess like this. Like for example, I want to remove this. So I'll make a selection with the help of the lasso tool, and I'm going to repeat the same process like this. So as you can see that by using the lasso tool, it becomes extremely easy for us to remove anything from the background or anything from the entire image like that. Right, I'm going to undo everything, and I'm going to bring my model back like this. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the Polygon Lasso tool. Now the Polygon Lasso tool, as I mentioned, is again very similar to that of the Lasso tool, but you cannot make anything freehand like this. As you can see, it deals with a lot of these straight lines, and this type of this Polygon Lasso tool is more convenient for shapes that are in geometrical forms, right? So you can use the same thing to either make the selection around your model, and if you want, you can move this around, or I can show you the same thing. Actually, it actually will help you to just remove this entire model from your image like that. It'll take a couple of seconds, and there you go. So I'm going to click on Ctrl plus D to deselect, and like that. So as you can see that both these tools are extremely helpful for removing, especially when it comes to removing images from background as well. So like this, something like this, right? And that's it. And there you go. I have also clicked on Ctrl plus Z to undo everything to show you as to how both the Polygon Lasso tool and the Lasso tool works and how they both can actually help you achieve the same result but in two different ways. But apart from that, you can also use this Lasso tool. You can use these two tools to make a selection and also move the selection around to a new document as well. So that's about it. I've covered up everything. So I hope you found this video to be useful, and thank you for watching.